Alright guys, thanks for watching my 200 subscribers special video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. There'll be more videos to come, so don't go anywhere. There will be more videos. So yeah, and also I might be filming tomorrow, so because I'm actually helping my dad do some trees at a family friend's place, which is also in Cambridge, so I might record that. I might do a little bit because it'll take all day from 9 o'clock till 5:30ish, 4:30. So yeah, just wanted to put that out to you guys. No, yeah, anyway, thanks for watching my video and have a good evening. Alright, let's do this. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what's inside a siren. This is something different I've never done before, but this should be very, very interesting. Just swore at me. Alright. So you got some little screws in there. They need to be taken out. You got one there, down there, and there where the screwdriver is pointing. So you need to take those out. Right. Let's take these out now. Right. Got that part taken out. There's the actual speaker unit. Alright. This actually has a little amplifier with it. Which I don't normally use anymore, but Alright. So we got this unit here. You can stick it on a magnet. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Got that one done. Right. This isn't going as planned. I don't want to wreck it, so I had to use some very, very precision type force. Oh, whoa, this thing's not that good. This is a very difficult procedure I haven't done in a video before, but I'll get back to you as soon as I've done this. Alright guys, managed to get it off. Got this piece off here, still intact. piece off. Oh, that came off fairly easy. Put it in there. Now let's take the screws out. Let's leave this piece in there to protect the diaphragm, because there's a diaphragm in there. Let's take the thing off here. I wanted to show you guys what was inside the diaphragm. Let's put it in there, put the screws in there. Lose them. Got the speaker. We got the diaphragm. Nice. So you got the magnet here, and the voice coil actually sits inside. Just like that. Doesn't stay like that. Take that off. Got a diaphragm here. Now, if we take it off carefully, extremely fragile. Got the ring there, and you got the diaphragm. Careful, careful. There we go, I got the diaphragm. That's what the diaphragm looks like. That's what it looks like when it's all brand new, which I actually got for about 50 bucks. It's quite a lot of money for it. You got the tinsel leads. Tinsel leads there. And yeah, see the front like that. You got it there. There's a weird diaphragm though. It's a really cool diaphragm though. And put this on here like that. You line up the things here. That actually holds the diaphragm in place. So yeah. Yeah, it's extremely fragile, like very, very fragile. If you look through there, you see it? You see a little spot there. Put it in front of there like that. See that, alright? So we got, like I said, we got the magnet. I think it's a 15-watt driver. Yeah, we got diaphragm here. If I put this on there like that, twist it and it just clicks into place. Oh, by the way, you got the housing here. Alright, let's get out of the way. So we got the diaphragm in there. And you got the magnet as well. Got the magnet here. Magnet assembly. There we go, and it clicked into place. Got this piece goes on here like that. You got the screws. Got the screws here. Let's put that aside. Got the screws here. That's what they made those little pins for, like, underneath, to help line up the assembly, like when your manufacturer's doing that. That's pretty much like how it works. Just like in a regular old driver here. Regular old driver. This is an ordinary acoustic speaker. This is a siren speaker. It works on a little diaphragm inside. Now the cone is actually like a giant diaphragm, but it's got a bigger voice coil in it. So yeah. Amazing though. It's good. It's amazing how speakers work these days. They came out years ago. They really did. Right, and the trickiest part is actually getting it back in here. That's the trickiest part. Move these out of the way. You can watch me get it back in. Pull the wire through like that. Now I know it's missing this piece, but I'm gonna put it on last. I'll show you in a minute. I'll just hang on a little bit, guys. I'm just trying to get this lined up for you guys, just so you can Haha! Right, I got it in. Let's get the screws. Get the screws off of here. Oh, no, it's not quite lined up yet. I'm just going to pretend I'm not recording right now. Just go about my day. Oh. Oh, too far, too far. Let's get a screw in here and see what it does. My word, these things are so hard to put back together now. Yeah, it's so hard to put back together now. My word. I'm probably going to have to end the video here because I'm already sweating a lot. You can actually see the diaphragm in there too. See a little thing there. Ah, wait. Wait. Okay, I got an idea. I just had a brainwave. Oh, wait, I don't think that's going to work. That's going to fall off. If I got a small screwdriver somewhere, I don't think I have. Bummer. Oh well. I hate flies. I'm gonna have to pause the video and get back to you guys as soon as I've done this. Alright guys, I got the screw back in fine. Just a matter of getting it back in. Getting it screwed in like that. There we go. Put that back on there. Oh wait. This piece here is actually to stop this piece from rattling around like while it's going. There you go. All back together. That wasn't so hard. Yeah. Probably mount this in a car or something. I don't know. It's good though. Anyway guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on post notifications if you haven't. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do those 4 things before you watch my next video, which is going to be coming out soon, which is a 200 subscriber ice bucket challenge. If you did enjoy my video, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe. So yeah guys, cheers for watching, and this is Jacob Carter signing off.